Hello, Automation Anywhere lovers. Welcome back to Getty Sessions. Let me ask you a simple question. Imagine every morning in your office you have to do the same task. Open Excel, check employee data, copy some information, and send an email report to your manager. And you do this every single day. Now imagine if someone told you you don't have to build the automation manually, just describe the task in simple English and the system will help you create the automation. Sounds interesting, right? Now, well, that is exactly what Copilot in Automation Anywhere A360 can do. Today, we will not just talk about it, we'll understand it like a practical session. Now, what is Copilot? As we all are aware of this, Copilot is an AI powered assistant inside Automation Anywhere. Think of it like a small, smart helper sitting next to you while you build automation. Normally, when we build a bot, we have to search for actions, drag and drop the steps, configure each action. But with Copilot, you can simply describe the automation you want, and Copilot helps generate the steps. So instead of doing everything manually, AI assists you in building the automation. Now, let me ask you something. If you had to build a bot that reads data from Excel, extract employees' names, and send an email report, how would you normally do it? You would probably add Excel advanced action. You will go to that action palette, action panel. You will search for Excel packages, then you will extract, you will take one action, open Excel action, and then you will use other actions like to get the data from the Excel, and then you'll use a loop action to loop through all the data, and you will use send email action, right? But with Copilot the process becomes much faster. So now let's take a simple practical example. Imagine we want to automate this task. Read employee data from Excel and send a report email. Normally we would manually create all steps, but with Copilot we can simply type a request like this. Read employees data from Excel and send an email report. Copilot understands the request and suggests the required automation steps. This makes bot development much faster and easier. Now let me show you this. So first of all, we will go to our control room. We create a new task bot, Copilot demo. And here on top you can see this Copilot. So just you can see it is asking, hi, tell me what you would like to automate today. Okay, so now I will give the prompt, and you just need to make sure your prompt should be less than 500 characters. So you can divide your prompt into you can divide your prompt, and you can give that prompt in multiple parts. So for our scenario, we are going to give a prompt: read employees data from I'll give a text file and send report. Okay, and I'll click on this send option. So it will analyze the prompt and it will create the task. See this, you can see this is this work area is blank. There isn't any action as of now. So our Copilot will add all the steps which are required to perform this activity. And here we go, you can see. And the best part of using Copilot is like it will write a very descriptive code, means it will add all the comments. You can see it will add all the description whatever it is doing. See, you can see, and also you can see it is giving some instructions as well. Here are few suggestions to complete this automation. Replace placeholder values with variables or value in the actions added in lines 4 and 6. So when we go to this line number 4, we need to like update the file name, like whatever text file we want to use. And in line number 6 also we need to like give the details of recipients, and from which ID we want to send the email, and our Outlook server and all those things. However, Copilot can also give these inputs, but we need to provide all that data, all that inputs to Copilot first. And let me show you the code whatever it has provided us. See, first of all it has added one step, and in this step it is reading employees data from the text file and sending the report. So it has after that it has taken one try catch block, and in try it has added the first comment, like which is explaining the working of the next action, which is get text action of text file. So first of all it is reading the text file with this action, and then it is sending the file. Means in this get text action it will get the data in the variable which is employee data, and in our send email action you can see in the subject line it has added this employee report, and in the email body it has added this employee data. So whatever value is available in the text file it will sending that value as a email body. All right, and it is throwing errors if there is any error. Similarly, if you want to read the text data from a this one from an Excel file, so you can give that prompt accordingly. So let me show you. I'm copying this, and here we go. Read employees data from a Excel file and send report. So this is how you can use Copilot to develop the code. No need to drag drop actions one by one. No need to go to action panel and search for a action, then drag drop, then add inputs, add outputs, variables, and blah blah. Just give a precise and a beautiful prompt. Just you need to write a few lines of normal or simple English, and it will create a bot for you. Again, it has given some suggestions, like we need to replace some placeholders values in these lines 5, 7, and 9. Okay. See, this is the older one. Let me remove this. Okay, so this is the uh, these are the actions which it has provided now. Let me show you. Let me collapse this, and here you can see first of all it is going to read, it is going to open the Excel file, then in it is using this get worksheet as data table action, and then it is like writing the data table to file, to this file, CSV file. Okay, so this is how the things are becoming very easier day by day. Now, no need to like, I think no need to learn this automation anymore. Just open this control room and give the prompt. That's it. And also, let me show you one more thing. in this action I want to change something. So what I will do is I'll select, I will give the prompt like update the file path. It is showing updated line 4, and here you can see the file path has updated successfully. So this is how you can update the things in a particular action. So you can just need to select that particular action or multiple action you can select, and then you can give your prompt to Copilot and it will perform the required actions. Like it has updated the file path here. Okay. And also we are not just using Copilot for creating the code or for writing the code. It can also explain the code to you. For example, this is the code what we have written. So what I want to do is or for example, if I am working on a older project or a older board and I don't know what's going on in this task board, so what I will do is I'll like manually go through all those lines of code and then I'll try to understand the code. But no need to do all this. This Copilot will explain the working of any task board. Just you need to write this backslash and then explain. This is kind of a keyword or a prompt you need to send. So I have sent this. So now it will explain the code. Explain this automation. See here you can see explaining the selected node with line number 5. So as I have selected one action which is line number 5 comment action. So this is explaining only that particular action. Okay, you can see. So but I want to I want Copilot to explain all the code. So what I will do is I will unselect the line, so there isn't any line selected. So now I'll give that prompt again, explain, and I'll give enter. So now it is analyzing the code and it will explain it for me. So tools like Copilot shows how AI is transforming the world of automation. In the future, we might see AI generated automation workflows, self-improving boards, AI agents managing complex business processes. So learning tools like Copilot will be very important for the future of RPA developer. And I think, see, explanation is ready. You can see explaining the entire automation workflow. This automation reads employee data from an Excel file, process it, and then generate a report in CSV format. It helps in quickly extracting and transforming data from spreadsheet into a structured report. And here it is explaining the actions, means which action is performing what. So in the first action, attempt to perform a sequence of actions that might encounter an error, and open an Excel spreadsheet, because it is saying like this because this thing that might encounter an error, because we are using a try action. So it, that's why it is saying it might encounter an error. So it might encounter an error, that's why we are using try, because we are not sure, means we are like sure there can be any error if the file path is incorrect or if there is any issue with the Excel file. So there can be an error. So that's why we are using this try block. And same thing this Copilot is explaining as well. And these are the actions. Open an Excel file, this file for editing, because we have selected this one, read write mode. So that's why it is saying we are opening this file for editing. So see guys, this is how it is explaining like in detail. It is explaining every single thing, like assuming it contains header because this option is checked, and established a session named Excel session. You can see this is the name of the Excel session. Now in the second one, retrieve data, means in this line number 6 we are retrieving the data from the sheet 1, and then we are writing the data to this CSV, you can see. And then if there is any error, then we are using this catch block, and in this catch we are capturing the error message in these variables. You can see error message, error line number. Here you can see error message and the line number into this, and then we are throwing the exception. So every little thing it is explaining, you can see. Now I want to ask you something. If you had an AI assistant helping you build automation, what task would you automate first? So tell me in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to Sessions for more tutorials on automation and